MPCC expressed suspicion that BJP might be trying to disintegrate Manipur by instigating communal violence like breaking up Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories on pretext of curbing terrorism. Over thousands protest in the Kangpokpi district. Convener of Media Cell Up Committee on Tribals Unity, Jang Haolun Haukit says conflicts between Maitai and Kukis will end and normalcy restored only when Kuki gets separated. Old Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association in Fall announces free education in private educational institutions for violence-affected students studying in class nursery till graduation. And women candidates creates history by securing top 4 positions of UPSC Civil Services Examinations 2022. Arvind Hanglem of Manipur secured 83rd rank.